Good morning, traders. Just wanted to share a quick video where we're at with the first trading desk that we're building. The first screens are already here. Dual screens first. We'll increase the setup as we grow. But it's pretty exciting. It's exciting journey for me because it's the first time that we're going from the evaluation sim trading to professional trading. So there's a lot of work that needs to be done. There's a lot of work that has been done throughout the past 3 years, and you can basically see it, right? As Purdia, we're one of the smallest firms still. Not a lot of people know us, and well, I don't care, because what I care about is real trading, professional trading, and we want to have traders sitting at our desk here trading real capital and grow the life part of the firm. That's what we want to grow, and that's what we will do in 2026. And then each year is getting better and better. So I'm pretty excited about it. And we have two spaces. We have another space over there. In that space, there will be a little bit more of the software engineers sitting, but we'll also squeeze some traders in because we actually don't have so much space right here at the moment. But next year, actually, 3 of you will get the opportunity to sit here because we'll fly 3 traders in that will be going through a specific challenge that we will launch soon, which is not tied to the regular evaluation path. But if you're already trading with us and you're showing good skills, good stats, then you will have the opportunities to sit at our desk. You will learn more throughout the next weeks and months. But if you are pre-qualified, we've probably already reached out to you. If not, you're not. And it's just really exciting because it's going to be a lot of fun here. Just gonna be different, right? So it's professional trading that we will be doing here, not the sim evaluation to fund it to live, whatever. There will be no payouts for sim. For those traders that will be flown and accommodated here, they will also not earn any salary or what. You will stay in your contract or agreement with us, and you'll get 40 to 50% of the profits generated. Basically a little bit different than the evaluation online game. Well, that is just because we want to grow the live part of our prop trading business, and that's just why I started Purdia Capital, basically, right? But you need to start somewhere, and for me to get into it, it was a pretty good learning experience, starting with the sim route, and it makes way more sense, especially for the retail trading space, right? As you know, usually, if you would work at a professional desk, like an actual physical, traditional type desk, you would apply first, right? Then there are a lot of conversations and stuff. All your stuff is reviewed and shit. So then out of 1,000 traders, only one might make it to the firm to be able to then first trade a sim for an entire year. That is how it usually goes at these firms. Which is normal, which is understandable. They don't want you to blow their capital away. So you will also trade sim there, but you will get a lot of educational material. You have a risk manager. They have an entire supportive team also for the mental part of trading and all that, right? You probably get a salary. And then if you're good enough after a year or two, you'll move live. And from there you grow and start taking money out of the account. And with this modern type of prop trading, it's completely different, right? We know going from the evaluation to the funded, taking money out of the sim account, so that's not even real money, then moving live, being able to grow that. But the big problem that we see in this space is there are a lot of limitations, whether it be things such as the consistency rule, or you're not getting your payout or anything, or you're making $200,000 in the sim, and then at some point they say, you can't take it out, but now, for some reason we will move you live with just $20,000. That happens here in this space, and it's pretty shitty. It's like a really, really difficult space. But we, at Purdia, we've been trying to do things differently right from the beginning, which you probably see, and that also kind of shows why we are still small, because we don't care about pushing marketing too hard. But now we care for one reason only, because we want to have traders sitting here. And the difficult thing is to find good traders, right? Out of the thousands of traders that make it into a funded account, even make it into the funded account, which are maybe like, depends on the model, but 6 to 20% of traders make it to funded account. Out of them, only 3 to 5% even qualify for sitting here at the desk, right? So it's really difficult, and that's just how trading is. But we, through our programs that we will offer throughout the next weeks and months that we are building, we want to make it as easy as possible for traders that are just starting out, for traders that still have some issues, to be able to get the opportunity to trade at a professional desk, the opportunity that you wouldn't have if you would apply at a regular firm. Whether it be age, because they're just looking for young guys, whether it be because you don't have any degree or whatever, whether it be, for whatever reason. And yeah, but it will not only be the case for the physical trading desk, but also a remote trading desk, because we will always operate a remote and a physical trading desk. But the remote one is way more difficult to manage, right? Because if I have a trader sitting here, I can just walk here and say, dude, what are you doing? Why are you, in that position? Get the fuck out. That's what we can do here. And that's really difficult remotely, like sending emails on the Discord or giving a call. And it's just a strange situation, trying to manage live traders that are working remotely. So it will actually, and that's the thing, it will actually be easier for you to sit here, because it is easier for us to manage the risk if you're sitting here, and we'll cover all the costs, That is way easier than to manage you sitting somewhere, in Thailand or whatever, and managing a $50,000 live account where we, can't just easily reach you. Maybe you have some internet connection problems, picking up the phone. I've had it in so many cases because I'm the lead risk manager at our firm, where I call up a live trade and they don't respond. Or I send them an email and the reply is, no, I don't want to change the risk parameters. I'm good with it. And then 2 days later, they blow the account. I always see it coming. I review the data. I can see when a trader is close to blowing the account. I can see it. Throughout the data that I have and throughout my own personal experience with trading, I know when you're going to blow the account up. I see the patterns. I try to reach out, no response, or no, I want to keep it, or I want to increase my daily loss limit. But that wouldn't be the case here. If you sit here and say, no, I want to increase my daily loss limit after having a losing streak of 3 days, I'll say, dude, fuck you. Get out of here. Get out of here. So it's going to be completely different here, and I'm pretty excited. And if you want to join join, just follow me around here. I'll be sharing more and more here, and maybe you get the opportunity to sit here. But we'll also do some, other events. I'll actually be in the US in January. So I'm thinking of going to some states to maybe do some events to meet up with traders, just to talk, just to get into the conversation. So if you have any idea where I should go, I'll go there. And yeah, have a great trading day, session, and week. Talk to you guys.